Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply transfer your USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. So guys, once you've logged on to Binance, make sure you have a verified account. And if you do not, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you do so. So guys, once you've logged in with a verified account, your main step is to head over to the wallet section. Once there, you come from the overview to the spot or your funding wallet, depending on where your cryptocurrencies are. As you can see, I've got my USDT on the spot wallet. So I'll select the USDT and select the withdrawal option, which is just down here. Once you've selected withdrawal option, click on send via the crypto network and you're taken to the send USDT menu. Now, what you need to know is Trust Wallet also supports USDT. It supports USDT transactions, but it supports them in various networks as well as the Binance mobile app. So all you need to do now to get those networks is the toggle at the top right corner of the screen, search for USDT. Once you've done this, you'd find that the USDT exists on ERC20, BEP20, BEP2, TRC20, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, SLCW20, and so many other networks. So now all you need to do is take note of the important ones or the important networks and get their token addresses. As you can see, Arbitrum is here, which is the Arbitrum 1. You could simply activate this, enabling this USDT, which is this USDT here, and simply click on the receive option and copy this address. Simply minimize your Trust Wallet, open up the Binance app, paste the address we just copied, select the network, which is the Arbitrum, scroll down and select the Arbitrum 1, and then the minimum is $10, so simply send 11 or 112 or whatever you have to send, and simply click on the withdrawal option. And that's it guys. Do comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.